Hey friends, welcome back to Limoneira. My name is Roosevelt and I'm a registered dietitian nutritionist, the founder of Healthy Grocery Girl, and spokesperson for Limoneira's One World of Citrus. It's February, the month of love, and we have some great recipes to celebrate. From our Sweethearts snack board, Valentine's dip, winter citrus spa water, and juices for glowing skin. So let's get started with today's recipes, and don't forget to come back to the Limoneira YouTube channel. Every Friday we post a new video to inspire you to enjoy more Limoneira Citrus with recipes, DIY, lifestyle, and beauty videos. First, we're making this gorgeous pink Never Miss a Beet juice. It's beautiful color, perfect for Valentine's Day, tastes amazing, and it's packed with vitamins and minerals and is super hydrating. Here's how you make it. 1 Limoneira Classic Meyer or Pink Lemon, 5 cups of romaine, 1 cucumber, 1 green apple cord, and half of a red beet. Prepare lemon by cutting off the top and the bottom, then carefully cut down the sides, following the curve of the lemon as much as possible. It's okay to leave some of the peel on your lemon when you're juicing, but just know that if you leave some of the peel on, your juice may have a slight bitter taste. Prepare the remaining ingredients by rinsing, scrubbing, or peeling as necessary, and cut the ingredients into the appropriate size for your juicer. Process all the ingredients in the juicer and then enjoy. Fresh, homemade juice is best enjoyed chilled, so I love pouring it over some ice. When it comes to juicing, the type of juicer that you use, it really does matter to help maximize the yield, the output of your juice, and also to help better retain the nutrients. I recommend using a slow masticating juicer, such as Hierom's AI Slow Juicer, which is the only self-feeding juicer on the market. The self-feeding hopper means you can load it up and then let the juicer do all of the work. It's quiet, has low RPMs, and a patented slow squeeze technology to help retain the nutritional value of juice ingredients. I love that Hierom's AI Slow Juicer makes juicing even easier. So now let's make our next juice recipe. This green juice is called a green lemonade, and it has simple ingredients, just a few, but it's packed with flavor, packed with nutrition, and of course Limoneira lemons. You will need 2 Limoneira Classic Meyer or Pink lemons, 5 cups of spinach, 1 cucumber, and 1 green apple. Prepare lemons by cutting off the top and the bottom, then carefully cut down the sides, following the curve of the lemon as much as possible. Prepare the remaining ingredients by rinsing, scrubbing, or peeling as necessary. Cut the ingredients to the size appropriate for your juicer, process all the ingredients in the juicer, and then enjoy. What I love about making fresh, homemade juice is that it's a great way to consume a concentrated amount of vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and juice is super hydrating. I love making juice with Limoneira lemons because it adds this fresh, zippy taste, and also lemons are packed with the antioxidant and immune-supporting vitamin C. Don't forget to look for sustainably grown Limoneira Citrus when you head to the grocery store, and January through May, you can participate in our Mix and Match campaign. Our Mix and Match campaign features Limoneira's 3 top varieties of Limoneira lemons. We have the classic lemons, Meyer lemons, and pink lemons, available in these super convenient and adorable grab-and-go bags. For more citrus inspiration, make sure you're following Limoneira on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter, and of course, subscribe to the Limoneira YouTube channel. Click that little red subscribe button. We'd love to see you every week back here on our channel. Say hi in the comments, and maybe let us know what is your favorite recipe that you like to make that includes Limoneira Citrus. Thanks so much for watching. Thanks for subscribing. We hope you're having a wonderful day, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye!